Hey, what is up? DMV Foodie back again. Today I'm checking out this Feast Kings food truck grand opening down here on the corner of North Capitol and Florida Ave. I know everybody know where this junction at. Come check them out today. They're here from 3 to 6, I think. Anyway, the menu is looking bomb. I promise you it's Jumbo Lump Crabmeat on damn near everything, shorty. You know it's a vibe. Let's go check them out, man. Hey, y'all see the line? Y'all see the turnout? Turnout speak for itself. That's how you know the food good, y'all.
Roasted crinkle tacos, really popular. Luncheon quesadilla,
I'm definitely getting a hot puppy. Almost surprised me before the taco. Yeah, whatever one you pick is cool.
That's the big one yellow.
Alright, cool. So just ordered. I like the fact that the menu got a bunch of local DC jargon and slang for y'all that ain't hip. But I definitely got the orange mother's hush puppies, and I let them pick between the Kilmo tacos and the quesadillas for which one I end up getting as my main course to go along with the hush puppies. Hey, either way, I know it's gonna be banging. Look at the turnout, man. I'm ready. I'm hungry. Time to eat.
It ain't happening.
Hey, just got off the truck. Y'all see what they working with. In the meantime, they got pre-made and made to order drinks for the crew in the parking lot. Again, like I said, y'all see the turnout. Y'all see the bartender right there, shorty. Hey, turn up. So, had the choice between Henny margaritas, Tito's drinks, and of course the Casa Fricos. I don't know what y'all call it, but this is what I call it. This is what we call it for the reposado. Y'all know I had to get the margarita. It's time to turn up, and it's time to chow down. Okay, so got the food. Had to step away from the scene. It is lit over there. I appreciate it. They playing the music. Hometown go-go. It's a whole vibe, shorty, in the parking lot. So I told them the hush puppies, of course. But then I told them to surprise me with the other choice between the tacos and the quesadillas. Real live. Okay. Hush puppies. I see them. Zoom in, crab meat. Hey, this Jumbo Lump for real. That's fresh. I'm going right in. Oh, it's crispy too. See how that just broke apart? Perfect fry. And then on the food truck, no less, full crowd. It definitely had to turn out. I didn't even get it out the bag. Hold on. Seafood. I always like hush puppies as an appetizer. Add the Jumbo Lump Crabmeat in. Perfect fry, crisp outside, hello inside. Hey, it's a grand opening for the food truck. Y'all gonna have to get this schedule ASAP. Them sounds good. You want one? They have. Cameraman want one? What you gonna do? What you? I ain't getting one now. Okay. Live reaction. I don't know what I got. What y'all think it is? I think it's a quesadilla. I think it's a quesadilla. What y'all think it is? What you think? Huh, Chop? Huh?
It's a quesadilla.
A quesadilla. I get tacos. What's the tacos? Ooh, what we got? So I told her to pick between the tacos and the quesadilla. Ended up with the tacos. I never thought I'd try the combination of a mumbo sauce with a fried chicken and mac and cheese in a sauce taco. It looked good, it smells good, that reassures the look. Jump right into it. Oh yeah. The mac and cheese is good. Can't go wrong as a foundation. Add the fried chicken, the sweet, little tiny bit of heat, and the sauce on top, and the taco shell. It all melds together. Brilliance on the food truck. Come check them out. I'm looking forward to the schedule. It's the winter season. This is that culture ribs kind of food. Down home cooking. DC local. DMV Natives. Black owned. Come check them out. Feast Kings. Hey, it's the way to go for sure. Hey. A definite DMV Foodies. Damn. Closed case. Bite of the day. It's a meal to start your Saturday night off with right here, show that. Chef Pudge, in one of my previous videos at DMV Crab Rolls at the Redskin Stadium. And I knew from the moment I met him to throw down in the kitchen. He's proving it today with the grand opening of his food truck. Feast Kings, they here on Florida and North Capitol, right on the corner in the parking lot of a barbecue joint. Come check them out for sure. Definite DMV Foodie stamp. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe to the channel, comment below, let me know your thoughts, what you think, would you try it, who would you get? I'll definitely be back. I need to try the rest of the menu for sure. It's crab, Jumbo Lump Crab, as fresh as that was on the Hush Puppies, on everything. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely be back for more of that. But in the meantime, if you wonder where I got the sweatshirt, Never Black Down, another DMV local, DC native. I actually went to middle school with her. The owner, real cool, down to earth. Y'all check her out, Never Black Down. I'll tag the IG below in the comments. Maybe in one of these corners somewhere. In the meantime, the DMV Foodie signing out.